Hi loves, if you're seeing this beautiful face for the first time, you're highly welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be making a bag of rice for jollof rice. A bag of rice. Guess how many kg this bag of rice is? It's not 50 kg. This is a 10 kg bag of rice. Well, or 12 kg, 12.5 kg bag of rice. But when you go to the rice mill, they just call it a 10 kg bag of rice. And the target is to make jollof for 100 persons. I just want to show you all a few clips from the market, preparations of the ingredients, and we're going to do the cooking now. So trust me, this is a video you want to watch, okay? Come with me. Hi loves, I've just got back from the market and I'm here to show you what I got. So I got some takeaway plates. I got just 2 liters of oil. I got this long frying spoon because I need it, and some serviette, some ginger and garlic, margarine, curry, seasoning powder because it's easier to use than to start breaking the cubes. But if you have someone to do that, or if you can use your food processor or blender to break your seasoning cubes, then that'll be fine. I know that a lot of people use tatashe, but here it's very hard to get tatashe, and the market where I can get it from is like really far. So I'm going to use all these peppers. Believe me, it's not even going to come out because it's like a bag of rice, like a 10 kg, 12 kg bag of rice. And what I'll do now is to roast the tomatoes, the peppers, and the onions. Not all the onions, because I'm going to leave some for garnishing, for frying, and for the meat as well. The ginger and garlic, I'm going to blend some and I'm going to roast some. So the ones I do everything with the back of the ginger. It's medicinal. There's no need throwing it away. So this is the one I'll blend now, and from there I'll take out the one I want to use for marinating the beef, and this is the one I'm going to put in the air fryer just now. Some bay leaves. Have you guys ever blended and roasted bay leaf? Ha! You'll just be screaming as you're eating the jollof. You'll just be praying for the person that made that jollof because it will be so good. So some oil, so that when I'm blending it, it will be easier to blend. And this, so did you know that putting in oil into your garlic and ginger helps make the blending an easier process? Try it and thank me later. So this is the meat, and this is 3 kilos of beef. Guess how many pieces of beef is here? Guess before I let you know how many is here. Okay, so here we have 127 pieces. I told them to cut it into 120, but yeah, we got 127, and that's just perfect because we're trying to serve 100 people. So now I'm going. When I'm done roasting and blending, everything just goes into the fridge until tomorrow. So if you know the power supply is epileptic, you may want to put the meat in the freezer, but the fridge is going to work because yeah, there's light and I'm sure the temperature is perfect for it. Looks like. So if you've ever wondered where I'm from, I'm actually from Ebonyi State, and I'll be using this rice, Abakaliki rice, because it's the best and that's what we use. So a 12.5 kg is supposed to be about 5 pintas, and I have this one here, so I'm just going to measure that. If you're still watching, it may interest you to know that I want to show you how to open a bag of rice properly. So this bag, I've opened the other end before I thought of doing this. So this end, as you can see, is like knotted, right? So what you need to do is to cut it off entirely, whether with a scissors or a knife. Like you need to cut off this long end entirely. And after that, you'd gently, using a knife is actually better. So you gently take this up, the threads, the knots that have been formed with the thread, you just Take them up one after the other, and this helps you open the bag of rice seamlessly so that when you need to get rice from the bag, you won't be pouring rice everywhere. And look at that, bag easily opened, win-win situation, because you don't want to be bringing rice out and every day rice is pouring out, pouring everywhere. So I'm going to pick up some firewood now. Wow, this would be hard to carry. And I hope this is not wet because this is rainy season. I really, really hope it is not wet. So first I put in some curry and bay leaf, and now I'm putting in the onions.
No secrets, no secrets.
So I won't show you people up close. This is what it looks like. This smells so good already. Smells so yummy. Today I'm using Sonia. Looks like it looks very nice. It's almost ready for the stock and every other thing.